No problem. I don't care. You are you, I'm me.
2025 is just around the corner, but why wait for January to start your glow up? This is your moment to set the tone for the new year by focusing on yourself, building habits, refreshing your look, and creating the energy you want to carry forward. Today, I'll give you a Wonyoungism guide on how to glow up even before the new year starts. Glow-ups aren't about perfection. They're about progress, confidence, and self-love. So let's use these last few weeks to step into the new year feeling amazing and unstoppable. Ready? Let's get started. There are 6 separate sections: skincare, fitness, style upgrade, self-care, nutrition, mindset shift. Skincare. In the morning. Cleanse. Use toner or toning pads, vitamin C or dark spot correcting serum, then moisturizer, and lastly, sunscreen of at least SPF 30. At night, cleanse. Use glycolic acid 1 to 3 times a week, then lock it all in with moisturizer. Know your skin type. If you have oily skin, focus on lightweight, non-pore clogging products. If you have dry skin, use rich, hydrating creams with ceramides or hyaluronic acid. If you have combination skin, balance hydration with oil control. If you have sensitive skin, stick to fragrance-free, gentle products. Opt for satin pillowcases to reduce friction in textured skin. Change pillowcases weekly to avoid bacteria buildup. Avoid touching your face unnecessarily to prevent breakouts and keep your makeup brushes clean. Wash them every 1 to 2 weeks. Try sheet masks or overnight masks 1 to 2 times a week for an extra glow. Fitness. From Monday to Friday, alternate between cardio like running or cycling and strength training. On Saturday, focus on flexibility, do yoga or Pilates. On Sunday, focus on resting or do some light stretching. Walk 8,000 to 10,000 steps daily for overall health. Schedule workouts at the same time daily to build a habit. Eat a protein-rich meal or snack post-workout, eggs, chicken, or tofu. Stay hydrated. Drink water before, during, and after exercise. Use a fitness app or journal to record workouts, set goals, and track progress. Celebrate small wins like running longer or lifting heavier weights. Avoid boredom by trying new activities, like dance, swimming, or boxing. Rotate exercises to target different muscles. Schedule 1 to 2 rest days per week for muscle repair. Prioritize sleep, 7 to 9 hours, for optimal recovery and energy. Style upgrade. Declutter. Donate or sell clothes that don't fit or align with your aesthetic. Invest in neutral basics, white tees, tailored pants, and standout pieces like bold jackets or frilly skirts. Experiment. Match accessories to elevate a basic outfit, like jewelry, scarves, sunglasses. Opt for flattering fits that suit your body type. Self-care. Journal at least 5 to 10 minutes a day to process your emotions or set intentions. Take long baths, showers to relax. Start your day with gratitude. Write down 3 things you're thankful for in a journal or sticky notes. End your day with a calming activity like reading, skincare, or journaling. Set boundaries by saying no to things that overwhelm you for your own well-being. Spend time with people who uplift and inspire you. Pick a hobby that sparks joy, painting, writing, or crafting. Limit screen time, especially before bed, to reduce stress. Treat yourself with a spa day at home, candles, a face mask, and a relaxing bath. Stretch often to release built-up tension. Nutrition. For breakfast, try a smoothie, overnight oats, or avocado toast. For lunch and dinner, opt for lean protein, whole grains, and colorful veggies in your meals. Go for healthy snacks, nuts, yogurt, or fresh fruit. Stay hydrated. Aim for 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Limit sugary drinks and caffeine. Mindset shift. Write down 3 to 5 specific goals for 2025. Break them into small, actionable steps. Practice positive affirmations daily. Challenge negative thoughts and focus on gratitude. Spend time with uplifting people who inspire you. Engage in activities that boost your self-esteem, like learning a new skill. And that's all. Your glow up is a journey of self-love, consistency, and growth. Remember, it's not just about looking your best. It's about feeling confident, healthy, and fulfilled. Stay consistent, enjoy the process, and embrace the amazing person you're becoming. You've got this.
No problem. I don't care. You are you, I'm me.